if you are just starting in Forex trading, one main question which everyone will always ask is which currency pair or which asset should I focus on? So on this video today, we're going to be covering the top asset or the top currency pairs for every beginner Forex trader. Remember, these are currency pairs that are easy to predict. These are currency pairs that will respect your technical analysis. And these are currency pairs that you can easily make money as a beginner Forex trader. I believe so much on niching it down. I believe so much on focus when it comes to Forex trading. So that's why this video is very, very important. And I'm also taking it based on the questions you guys have been asking on my videos. Which currency pair or which currency pairs should I trade as a beginner Forex trader? What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ndemazeah Godlove, and on this channel I share content on trading, personal finance, and tips to help you stay profitable on a consistent basis with my 10 years of experience. So if this is your first time watching me, or you've been watching me and you haven't subscribed, make sure you smash that subscribe button below to subscribe to the channel so that you can always be updated anytime I update or I upload content like this. Number one, should you focus on particular currency pairs? The answer is yes. All right, should you focus on some particular currency pairs as a beginner Forex trader? The answer is unequivocally yes. Next question, should you focus on just one currency pair? The answer is unequivocally no. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't focus on just one currency pair. Because I've seen people, many beginner Forex traders are being fooled with the notion that, okay, just focus on Great Britain Pound USD, just focus on this. What if you open your chart that particular day and there is no opportunity on that currency pair you're focusing strictly on? That's a big question. What if you open your chart and there is no opportunity on that chart you're solely focusing on for that particular day? That's when you see people start squeezing themselves to take a trade on that particular chart, even when there's no opportunity, because they were solely focusing on one currency pair. It's like coming to your house and you're eating strictly rice every day, strictly rice every day. There are going to be days where it's going to bore you, all right? So it's the same thing in trading. You should be able to learn I always preach, learn a strategy that can work across a span of different currency pairs. And then when you want to niche it down as a beginner Forex trader, these are my top 5. All right, these are my top 5 currency pairs that you can stick to as a beginner Forex trader. And then when you get an experience, focus on strategies that you can use across any currency pair or any asset. But for now, let's stick to these 5 currency pairs as a beginner Forex trader. Number 1, Euro USD. Obviously, there's no way I was going to mention beginner friendly currency pairs without mentioning Euro USD. Why do I love Euro USD so much? Number 1, Euro USD is not as crazily volatile as gold. That's number 1. Euro USD is having the lowest spread in the entire Forex industry. Euro USD is having the lowest spread. If you use some brokers, if guys sign up using my recommended brokers on the video, and on those recommended brokers, if you take a broker like IC Market, the spread sometimes is even 0 pips, meaning you pay 0 for spread on Euro USD. 0 for spread. The only thing you pay is just the commission. So that's why Euro USD has always been my favorite. I have favorite when it comes to currency pairs, but now I don't, my mind is not close to looking for opportunities on other pairs, all right? So always have this at the back of your mind to know that when it comes to trading, you should have your favorite pairs. I'm going to show you my computer. Don't worry. Let me just make sure my recording is on. And after this, I'm going to show you guys quickly on my computer how I'm able to arrange my favorite pairs. So Euro USD, number 1, the spread is the lowest in the industry. It's not too volatile. Number 3 is going to respect your technical analysis. Euro USD tend to respect technical analysis so much. Let's go to the third currency pair, or the second currency pair, Great Britain Pound USD. All right, Great Britain Pound USD. Remember, this is the European Union combined with the dollar, or the Great Britain economy combined with the dollar. So the spread is also very minimal. Next to Euro USD, the next currency pair that has the lowest spread in the entire Forex industry is Great Britain Pound USD. This currency pair is easy to predict. It moves a lot. As opposed to Euro USD, Great Britain Pound USD moves similar to gold, meaning the P value is very, very high on Great Britain Pound USD. You can make a lot of money on Great Britain Pound USD as well. If the market wants to go in your direction, it's going to go in that direction. If it doesn't want to go in your direction, it's going to hit your stop. So you are able to know your decision. You get in the market. If you're right, you're right. You're wrong, you're wrong. You move to the next trade. All right. So Great Britain Pound USD is an awesome pair for you to start. Now, remember, Great Britain Pound USD and Euro USD all have the United States dollar as the quote currency on the currency pair. So now we need to if one is going up, there's a likely possibility another one will be going up. If Great Britain Pound USD is buying, you should expect there's a likely possibility, if there's no fundamental in either of these economies affecting them. If one is going up, you expect the other one to be going up. So they are all positively correlated. And I don't always advise for you to stick strictly on positively correlated pairs, because if the market wants to go against you, you tend to lose a lot within a shorter period of time. All right. So I need to now give you other pairs which are not positively correlated. All right. You need to be able to trade other pairs which are not positively correlated with the dollar or positively correlated with each other. And in that way, I'm going to be giving you guys the third one on my list, which is USDJPY. All right, USDJPY has always been my favorite from the start. 10 years ago, I've always loved USDJPY because it has what we call the silent currency on that currency pair. Remember, we have USDJPY, and JPY is like the silent currency pair. You only have, maybe once in a while, you have a fundamental from Japan. Remember, you have the JPY, Japanese yen. So it's just once in a while that you have a major fundamental from Japan that will actually affect that particular currency pair. But in most cases, it's silent. The only currency pair or the only currency which is actually moving in that currency pair is USD. So in most cases, I consider that as what? As the silent partner in that currency pair. So now, since it's a silent partner, if there's a fundamental news in the United States, trust me, USDJPY is going to take one direction. If there's a fundamental news in Japan, like maybe BOJ, Bank of Japan, trust me, USDJPY is going to take one direction. I like a currency pair that trends. So USDJPY tends to trend a lot. But I haven't seen a currency pair that trends more than USDJPY next to gold. Gold trends a lot. I wouldn't recommend gold as for beginner forex traders. But next to gold, the next currency pair that trends a lot is USDJPY. Because of why? Because of that silent partner, which is JPY in that currency pair. The fourth one on my list is obviously going to be Great Britain Pound JPY. GJ, right? Great Britain Pound JPY. Also having similar characteristics to what? To USDJPY. The spread is also not too high. It tends to trend. It doesn't consolidate for a longer period of time. And it also has a silent partner, which is JPY. The fifth one on my list is obviously AUDUSD. All right, AUDUSD. Remember now, we are moving to Sydney, Australia. AUD just stands for the Australian dollar. That's why sometimes before you wake up in the morning, you see yourself already making 2%, 3%, or maybe 4% of your account, because maybe you had setups that were trading over the night or over the Sydney session. So this session or this particular currency pair tends to be a very quiet currency pair. It doesn't move that much. It's not too volatile. So, and the spreads are also very, 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 very small. If your prediction is right, the market is going to go in your direction, but bear with me, it goes slowly in your direction. It's not too volatile. There's not too much volume on this pair, but when you know what you are doing, you tend to make money, a lot of money with pairs that are very quiet like that. Forex trading is not a sprint, it's a marathon. So our main goal at the end of the day is for the market to hit our take profit, is for the market to go our way. So we are not interested in how fast the market hits our take profit. Our goal is for it to hit our take profit. That is it. All right. Then I'm going to give you guys one bonus one. Remember, I said I was going to give you guys 5. I've given you guys 5. Euro USD, Great Britain Pound USD, USDJPY, Great Britain Pound JPY, and AUDUSD. The bonus one on my list, which is also a pair I trade like almost on a daily basis, is CAD JPY. All right, Canadian dollar JPY is one of my best because obviously it has a silent partner, which is JPY. It doesn't mean any currency pair that has JPY is the best to trade. No, it's just selected. Remember, CAD JPY. We have now the Canadian dollar. Canadian dollar tends to respect fundamentals a lot, meaning if there's a fundamental in Canada and you're trading the Canadian dollar, the market is going to trend. It trends in one direction for a longer period of time, giving you guys more opportunities to make money. Now, those are my recommended pairs for beginner Forex trader. If you can come on my computer, I'm going to quickly show you guys how I'm able to arrange all these pairs on my computer. Just looking at my computer, I don't even need to tell you which one are my favorite currency pairs. Remember, the reason why I'm able to deduce it right down to saying these are my favorite currency pairs or the best for beginner Forex traders is because those are currency pairs I've traded for the longest, all right? And if you can just look at my computer, the first one I mentioned was what? Great Britain, it was Euro USD, and the second was Great Britain Pound USD. So all these four currency pairs are the ones I trade like almost every day. So we have Euro USD is right there, so I just group them, put them in one place. Euro USD is right there, USDJPY is right there, Great Britain Pound USD is right there. I don't recommend gold for beginners. Always start trading gold when you've gotten that experience. That's it. Don't attempt to trade gold when you're just starting, all right? Then we have Great Britain Pound JPY, already explained reasons why I liked it, AUDUSD, and then CAD JPY. When you start getting some experience, that's when you start going into indices, all right? I would have mentioned indices, and obviously when you go to indices, the first one on your list should obviously be US Tech or NASDAQ, all right? But for now, focus on currency pairs, and when you gain experience and you start making some money, then you can diversify and you start trading indices, start trading oil, commodities, and all of that, okay? So that is it. That's how I'm able to analyze, that's how I'm able to arrange these currency pairs on my computer. And I've also explained reasons why you should focus on these currency pairs. Only be able to start trading because there are some of my strategies that I can use on anything that produces a candlestick, all right? Anything that produces a candlestick. But before you get to that level, niche it down to focus on just these 5 currency pairs plus the bonus one I've provided until you gain experience. Once you gain experience, and then boom, you can trade anything and everything at any time. Right? I hope that makes some sense. I hope that is very, very clear. So let me know if you have any questions on the comment section regarding these currency pairs. And as always, I said I was going to give you guys a gift by the end of the video. So I'm going to be giving 5 traders $5,000 Profam accounts to trade. All right. So all you need to do is to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment what you want to see on the next video. Comment your challenge, comment what you want to see on the next video. And as always, I'm just going to go through the comment section and I'll be selecting 5 lucky winners. The rules are simple. Like the video, share with someone, and comment what you want to see on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want me to mentor you one-on-one, check out the link below to enroll in Godlove University. And if you want to use a Forex robot that has won 3 years in a row as the most profitable and the most viral Forex robot, Patrex Pro, then also check the link on the video description. As a beginner Forex trader, you obviously need big capital at a point in time. So check the link below to also use my recommended prop firm Lionheart funding program, where you can trade up to $600,000 in capital payout process within 24 hours. Make sure you join my free Telegram, link also on the video description. And those of you guys trading on private account, make sure you are trading with the same brokers I'm trading. You can find links to all these services on the comment section or in the comment section, anyone. Check out the videos that are going to be coming at the end of the screen, because those videos are also beginner friendly and they'll prepare you on how to win in Forex trading. Peace.